Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Springfield local and long distance movers near me. If you're searching for reliable and trustworthy movers in the city, our Springfield local moving company offers a comprehensive range of moving services to help you transition smoothly to your new home or office. With years of experience in the moving industry, our team of experts knows exactly what it takes to handle your move efficiently and effectively in Springfield. With our personalized expertise, efficient route planning, and deep knowledge of the city's highlights, we are committed to making your move an enjoyable and stress-free experience. From packing your belongings with care to loading them onto our well-maintained moving trucks, we take pride in providing exceptional local moving services that exceed your expectations. 3 Movers has got you covered if you're planning a long-distance move. Our Springfield long-distance moving team comprises highly trained professionals who will ensure your belongings arrive at your new home safely and on time. Whether you're moving across the state or across the country, our team has the experience and expertise to handle every aspect of your move. When you choose 3 Movers as your Springfield long-distance movers, you can rest easy knowing that your move is in good hands. We use only the highest quality packing materials, and our trucks are equipped with state-of-the-art technology to track your belongings throughout the entire move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Springfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.